Hello children, we have already learned about sources of water and uses of water. Today we are going to learn about creatures found in the rainy season. Creatures means small animals which are mostly crawling. Children, have you all seen an earthworm? Yes? Okay. An earthworm is pink or light brown in color. It crawls on the ground and it lives under the ground in the soil. Earthworms are mostly found in moist places. This is a centipede. It is brown in color. It has many tiny legs like the ants. Some centipedes are poisonous like the snake. This creature also crawls on the ground. It is seen when it is raining. Now let's see this frog, and you all have seen the frog, okay? You all have seen the frog, isn't it? The frog has 4 legs. 2 legs in the front and 2 long legs behind to jump and hop. It is dark green in color. Frogs are found near the ponds, lakes and rivers. The frog has a long tongue to eat flies and insects. This is a tadpole. It is the baby or young one of a frog. This is a snail. Snails are brown in color and they too crawl on the ground. They have hard shell with round curves on it. So, children, did you all see these creatures of rainy season? Okay, now as it is rainy season is going on, you all will find these creatures everywhere. And if you all find any one of these creatures, click a photo and send it to teacher. Okay, bye for now.